Hello dear students, today we'll continue the lesson number 7 verbs page at 47. So today we are going to talk about models. So first of all we need to know what are models, okay, what does it work, okay, how does it work in a sentence. So as we see from page number 47, okay, right over there, some sentences are given there and then you can see them, okay, they are highlighted, you can see them very nicely. Look at these sentences, notice the words in color. I can finish the work today. Arjun might skip the meeting. You should get vaccinated. Here the main verbs finish, skip, get have been used with a different kind of helping verbs. The main verb over here you can see it is being used with a different kind of helping verbs. Which are them? Those words are like can, might and should along with the main verb. These helping verbs can, might, should help us express moods and hence are called models. So what is the work of models? The models like, okay, we can see can, could, okay, so many examples are there in the book page number 47. You can see can, could, may, might, okay, then shall, suit. I'm just writing one so for you so that it will be easier for all of you. We'll start with may in the past tense, okay, is might, shall, should, will, would, then can, okay, this will be could. This way, okay, you'll have to learn. Okay, these are all the examples of what? Examples of models. Okay, these words, okay, the words which I have written over here, it will help the speaker or one who is speaking to express his or her modes properly. Without these words, okay, the speaker cannot express himself or herself properly. Then let us continue. Other models include could, may, must, shall, will, then would, etc. Most models express more than one mode. So most models, okay, most models from here express, okay, more than one mode. Like permission, okay, you see for permission, what are the models being used? Here you can see in that box, okay, for permission we use can, could and may. So all these three, okay, models are being used for taking permission. Ability, can and could. Request, could and may. Order, should, must and will are used. For suggestion and invitation, we use the model can, will and would. Possibility, okay, possibility, there are chances of happening certain things. Can, here you can see could, may and might. Advice, should, must and could. Since it is already given in the book, okay, you don't need to write again, enough that you learn by heart. So the models that are being used for taking permission and then you have some ability to do something, then request, order and all these things, okay, you should remember the models that are being used for all these things. I hope, okay, I have made it clear to you. If you have any kind of difficulties, you will let me know. Now we will move on to the exercise. Question number D. Here you see, okay, one questions that you are supposed to write here. What are models? Give examples. You will be writing in the copy, okay, what is this? What are model? Give examples. So the answer is the words. Word means here the helping verbs. Okay, these words refer to what? The helping verbs which help us. Okay, the helping verbs we have already seen. Okay, I have written down few words which you have already seen, like can, could, may, might. All these are helping verbs. So these helping verbs help us to what? To express the moods of the speaker is known as modals. And the examples you can write down from the book. So remember, you are supposed to write these questions in the copy. Choose the correct modals. Question number D. You are supposed to write the questions. Okay, please do not forget. Whatever is there, the instructions you have to write. Choose the correct option. The first one, my grandfather is almost 100, but he, then three options are there. And this time, okay, I ask you to write down all these three options and give tick mark or circle, okay, the correct options. Please, okay, I'm just showing you one. My grandfather is almost, my father is almost 100, but he could or can may still cook his own meal. So this is what you are going to write. My grandfather is almost 100, but he, within the options you can see, but he could, can and may still cook his own meals. So if I take, okay, the answer, okay, this one, can, if I think that can is the right option over here, so either you are going to circle or put a tick mark to it. So this is how you are going to write in the copy. So I will know, okay, from where you have written, okay, what are the options that are being available in that particular sentence. So don't write only the correct options. Please write down the options whichever are there in the book. So question number D is your homework. You are supposed to write in the copy. Hope I have made it clear to you. If you face any kind of difficulties, okay, in doing this exercise, you are most welcome to ask me. Thank you so much.